HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the foundation of every web page, used to structure and display content on the internet. It works with tags that define different elements like text, images, and links. A basic HTML document includes a section for metadata, which contains information about the page, and another section for visible content, which holds text, headings, images, and links. Headings help organize information, making content easy to read, while paragraphs structure written text. Lists can be used to arrange items in an ordered or unordered format. Links connect different pages on the web, allowing users to navigate between them easily. Images can also be added to enhance the visual appeal of a web page. While HTML provides the structure, CSS is used to style the content, changing colors, fonts, and layouts. JavaScript adds interactivity, enabling features like pop-ups, animations, and dynamic content updates. Together, these three technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, form the core of modern web development, allowing developers to create everything from simple websites to complex web applications.